Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my little secret tips on how to smell good all day long. So stay tuned to the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. But before wasting much of your time, we are going to burn our candle. Yes guys, we want to talk about smelling good, yes, for all day long. And as we are doing that, I love candle. Actually, I don't usually make video when but maybe these days I will start making videos with my candles. Yes, I love hearing the smell. I love the smell. I love smelling good. I love anything that smells nice. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? So in today's video, I will be sharing my secret tips on how to smell good all day long. Yes, 24 hours smelling good. Yes guys, and if today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos like this and more. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join this amazing family. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. So why don't you do me a favor by smashing that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. Yeah, if you are my old returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. I love you guys. Thank you for always watching my video. Thank you for always supporting me. I really appreciate you guys from the deep bottom of my heart. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this video. Yeah, number one secret tips I would like to share with you guys. I will first of all start with your laundry. Yes guys, for me, what I use with if I want to do my laundry, yes, after adding my soap, I normally use my air freshener. I will show you guys. Yeah, here is it. You see, fresh and care. This is what I use for my dress, and it makes it smell so good, so nice guys. Yes, you can, they have different products, you know, so you can check this out. This is the one I love buying, the one I love using, and it's very good, and I think it's not expensive. You can check it out, it's in the shop. Yes, that is what I use for my laundry, and I whenever I wash my dress, oh my goodness, the smell is amazing. So that is it guys. And the number two secrets I would love to share with you guys is we have to make sure your mouth is always smelling fresh. Yes, if you can brush as much as you can anytime before going to bed, when you wake up in the morning, if you have opportunity to brush in the afternoon after meal, that will not be bad. But for me, what I love doing, my secret is I love using mouthwash. Yes, when I brush in the morning and I'm going out, maybe I eat, or maybe at night I'm so weak to brush, whatever, I will just quickly use my mouthwash to rinse up my mouth. Yes, so that is very important. You have to always make sure your teeth is always very fresh, always smelling good, because mouth odor is not good. Yes guys. And number three tips I would love to share with you guys. Guys, this is my own secret tips I normally does every day. Is my secret routine. That is what I'm sharing with you guys. Yes, the other one I would love to share with you guys is scrubbing. if you want to be smelling good, you have to be scrubbing yourself. If nothing less than, let's say, once in a week, you have to make sure you scrub yourself very well. Especially, just scrub yourself. If you are scrubbing yourself once in a week, it will help you to smell nice. It will make you to smell amazing. Yes. So that is it, guys. Scrubbing is one of the secret tips I have as my routine that makes me smell nice. So the number 4 tips I would love to share with you guys. After bathing, what I normally do before I dressed up, if I'm dressing up, like my inner wears, let's say for example this is my bra, what I will do, I will use my body spray it. After spraying it, I will take my pants and spray it. This is my own secret on what I normally do. Anytime I'm going out or I'm in the house, I need to wear my pants and my bra. Once I'm dressing up, this is how I do it. I will spray my pants. This is my secret routine on how to smell good all day long. Yes. And number 6 tips I would love to share with you guys. My secret tips on how to smell very good all day long. How to smell amazing. The next one is, this is my Starbucks. Yes, guys. You can get something like this. I normally have things like this. Something like this in my purse, my bag, wherever I go. I normally go out with it. Let me show you how it's looking. Look at it. You see? I will just take one. This is what I normally use. The secrets on how to use this, you cannot look for this in my pockets. Anytime I'm going out, it's always in my pocket, it's always in my bag. Anything I'm carrying, I must have this thing as a souvenir. I will just spray it. For those of you that want to look good, my secret tips on how I spray my perfume is, number 1, I will spray here, back of my ear, spray this place. Then I will spray here. You don't do it like this. No, you do it, if you must do it, you do it like this. Okay, then I will spray in between here. Then I will spray my belly. Then I will spray here. Then I will spray in between my legs. That is it, and I'm good to go. You must always smell good, guys. Don't make it too much. Smelling good is very important, and you will smell very nice all day long. Yes, guys. If you spray this perfume like this, you must not spend your money. You must not spend too much money just to buy a good perfume to smell nice. Anything you have, you can make good use of it. Yes, you just have to learn how to use the little you have to make the best out of it. You spray and you will remain smelling good all day long. And the other secret I love using, my other tips I would love to share with you guys. The next secret I normally does to smell good, guys, is like for example, this is my brush. Okay, my hair brush. What I normally does is I will open my perfume before I go out. Okay, guys, once I opened it, see what I will do. I will just spray it, then use it to brush my hair. So that is it, guys. That is another secret. And when I go out like this, I smell amazing. Guys, you can't believe the smell that is coming out from my body. As in, this routine is very good for women especially. And since I've been doing this routine, this secret routine, a lot of people have been asking me, girl, you smell good, girl, this, that. What is the secret? You know, people have been saying good about me, like my smell. And again, the last I would love to share with you guys, if you must spray perfume in your body, for those of you that spray it too much, no, you don't spray it too much. For example, you want to spray, you just spray it up. Let me say, once you spray it up, you just go in there. You enter there. Let's see. You spray up, go like this. You spray up, go like this. Yeah, and that is it. You are good to go. That is all you need to smell very nice, to smell amazing. Whenever you pass around, people see you, they will be like, oh, wow, who is this angel? You smell good, you smell that. That is the secret most of you don't know. And people, don't do it too much, don't spray it too much, don't overdo it. It's not good. Yes, you don't just spray everywhere. You must know the secret on how to use your perfume. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, why don't you give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping me. And see you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.
Yo.